Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Vissco Rib Belt. This product is designed to provide support and compressions to the rib cage and making it ideal for those who have suffered a rib injury or are recovering from surgery. And first off, let's talk about the benefits of this product. The Vissco Rib Belt helps to reduce pain and discomfort by restricting movement in the affected area. It also promotes healing by providing gentle compressions to the ribs, which can help to reduce swelling and inflammations. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. The Vissco Rib Belt comes in a simple yet sturdy package. Inside you will be find the belt in itself, which is made from a breathable and lightweight material. The belt features an adjustable strap, and it also allow you to customize the level of compressions to your liking. And putting on the belt, it's easy. Simply wrap it around your torso, making sure that it fits snugly but not too tightly, and adjust a strap is needed to achieve the desired level of compressions. Overall, I am really impressed with the Vissco Rib Belt. It's well made, easy to use, and provided excellent support and compressions to the rib cage. If you are dealing with a rib injury or are recovery from surgery, I highly recommended giving this product a try. That's it for my review for the Vissco Rib Belt. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave a comment below if you have any question and feedback. And I'll share a link is in description box if you purchase this product, guys. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you too is my passion, and I am grateful to the opportunity to do what I love every day. And whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discover my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredibly valuable to me, so please keep them coming. And if you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with my friends and family. Once again, thank you for watching, your support, and it means more than word to express can express. I can't wait to continue creating content, it bringing joy and inspiration to your life. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.